Hello, this is a walkthrough of the Module 3 assignment, Volume Calculations. Here below are the assignment directions. In this assignment, you will calculate powder volume. At first, you want to select 3 household powders. Think of things like flour, baking soda, powdered milk, etc. For each of the 3 powders you selected, you will do the following. Record the amount of powder you are attempting to find the volume for. Record the initial volume, which is the amount of liquid, such as water, that you will be adding to the powder. Measure out the liquid and powder and combine them. Measure volume of the resulting solution of powder and liquid. Lastly, calculate the powder volume. Let's walk through this step by step so you understand the directions. First step, record the amount of powder you are attempting to find the volume for. Chosen here is powdered milk, and as you can see, it measured 1/3 of a cup. The second step says to measure the amount of liquid that you are using to be your diluent. Here you can see we've measured 250 mLs of water. Make sure in this step that you use metric units to measure and not household units. Next, we measure out the liquid and the powder and combine them. Next, we measure the resulting volume of both the solution and the powder. Here you can see it measures around 298 mLs for the combined liquid. Our last step is to calculate the powder volume. Powder volume, if you can remember from the calculations, is measured by subtracting the final volume from the diluent volume. On previous slides, we measured a 298 ml final volume and 250 mLs of water, which is our diluent. When we subtract the two of these, we get a resulting powder volume of 48 mLs. So in conclusion, 1/3 of a cup of dry powdered milk is the same as 48 mLs.